we just saw how to actually take bananas out of the tree, out of the plant, and well, take a look at that. It's beautiful. Thanks to the conditions of this hill, it was just pretty much easy because it was at the level of the person. But sometimes, if the plant is really high, you know. ¿Esto es planta o árbol?
Mata.
Le dice planta. Well, so we have the plant here of bananas, and well, we just saw how Mr. John actually, what he did is that he removed it, and then we have the beautiful.
Bellota.
We call it bellota,
Bellota.
and that's the name. We call it bellota, and that's the product. Really sweet, and algo del color, ¿cierto? Se ve baja verde. O
Verde.
well, you need to actually harvest this and take this green, yeah, because it's going to change as you take it to your place, or if you're going to take it to the market. And well, take a look at the product, the fruit we have here. It's so sweet, and we will taste this as well.
Por eso está en esa situación.
Okay, guys, look, well, I'm eating. It's great, but something to tell you is that sometimes if you leave the banana in the plant or up there, some birds, actually the birds, they will come. I mean, if it is ready to take it, if you don't do it, the birds, they are going to come and they're going to start eating it. That's why you get to see this. But the fruit is already, I mean, it's ready for taking it to the farm or to the market or to the place to so that it finishes the process. But now take a look at this. They needed to take it before, and for that reason it was already yellow, and the birds, they did their job, and they wanted to eat as well. So the idea is to remove it, to take it like this. Okay, well, guys, something they are telling me about this, you know, the bananas, is that actually what they do is that they remove it, they take it from the plant, they take it, and actually they take the fruits to the market. And what they do is that it is green, you know, it is not ready. Sorry, a lot of mosquitoes. It is not ready for selling it. So what they do is that they cover it with some kind of product so that it changes and it's like this, like yellow. Okay, but it's not going to be so sweet because they are like forcing the fruit to be ready for selling. But now what we are doing is like eating the real fruit, and it's so soft and also so sweet. And well, if you come to Colombia and if you happen to come to this like places like a coffee farm or a farm in Colombia, I hope you get to enjoy like a really and fresh banana like this. Por último, recuerda suscribirte y activar las notificaciones para que recibas más contenido como este. See you next time.